as a full stack data scientist. I completed my college in VIT and did my schooling at Chennai, Indian Institute of Technology actually. So today I'm going to explain you about the technologies which the top companies have been using, and I'll be explaining you about the tech stack, which are the layers and what are the layers, in which layers which technologies are being used. We'll be seeing briefly about that. Okay. Here I have given an analogy, right? As you can see, the total product is a fortress actually. It may be Instagram, that Amazon or PhonePe or Uber or Netflix. It is totally a fortress. There are many several layers actually which are used to build the fortress. We'll be seeing like which are the layers used to build this fortress. Okay. Uh, do you guys know about the tech stack? Okay. I'll be explaining what is a tech stack in short. A tech stack is a short form for a technology stack, which many programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and tools are combined to make a specific app or software or mobile application. There are many layers of software packed on line by line. So as you can see, like it contains a server, it contains a database, it contains a data access layer, it contains a web application layer, and then finally the web pages which you can access. Right? If you search anything, you'll be seeing some web pages, right? The information will be given in there. That are the web pages you can see. So these are the technologies that are being stacked on one another. So it's called as tech stack. Okay, let me explain you about the technology stack layer or tech stack layer. First, we'll be coming to the front end. Front end is nothing but as you type on Google, you'll be seeing a search bar and you'll be having a button to search and you'll be displaying some images and those. As you can see that will be shown in your eyes, right? That are the front end. These are the applications used for building the front end. Like they're using React, Angular, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That is being in the client side. As you and me are the client, we are being accessing that tool. So it's a front end, it's client side. And then while going to the back end is all like it's programmed on the server. We couldn't access that back end. That will be like after we given information that will be processing that maybe our login information or sign up information, everything. And then we will be going to the database. Database is something that stores our information and keeps it in a separate track so we can access our data. And this is a server. Server is very important. Like you will be getting the information from the server. Here, the servers are being used are Apache, Lightspeed, and Ignis. These are the various servers actually. And then the network. The network is like, as you know, right? Internet is a interconnected computers actually. Many computers are connected to the network. That is always important. So without network, we can't do anything. Okay. Let us go to a short quiz. Like, what does the term tech stack refer in software development? Option A, a stack of hardware components. Option B, a set of technologies, languages, and tools used to build and maintain applications. C, a stack of programming languages. D, a set of networking technologies. Okay, uh, I think you have seen the question, right? So I need you to give the answer in the chat. Like, let me show you the question again. What does the term tech stack mean? Guys, are you done with giving the answer? Yeah, sign off, you and B. Any other guys with answers? Okay, let me show you the answer then. Yeah, the answer is B actually. It is a set of technologies and languages and tools used to build and maintain applications. That is a tech stack. Okay. As we as we know, like what is a tech stack is, we'll be saying like what are the technologies used in Instagram, and we'll be knowing about Instagram in short. Instagram, everyone has an Instagram account, right? Instagram is a popular social media platform which was launched in October 2010. So in Instagram, you can give follow requests to many people like in the surrounding, it gives suggestions, and you can maintain a community. You can even make some money in that, like may like posting some reels and some stuff actually. It is a it is a entertainment platform as you see reels, and you can chat engagement platform. You can engage with each other, and you have many features like filter stories and even direct messaging. You have, right? That is Instagram. Mm. Okay, let's see what are the tech stack used in Instagram. Like what is used in front end? The front end they use React JS, and while going to the back end, that is a server side, they have been using Python, Django in them. And while coming to the database, they are using PostgreSQL and Cassandra. And then while going to the storage, you all know about the Amazon Web Services, right? In the Amazon Web Services, there will be S3 buckets actually. They have been using S3 for the storage. And for hosting, the Amazon Web Services they have been using. This is tech stack, I said, like Python, Java, and then React JS, React Native. Development. I'll be giving a crazy information that after Instagram was launched in October 2010, that Facebook has bought Instagram in just 2 years for about $1 billion. That's a huge sum of money, right? Okay. Let's go through a quiz again. Like, what is a primary programming language used for Instagram backend? A. Java, B. Python, C. Ruby, D. Node.js. So, guys, give the answer in chat. I'll be showing you the slide again. Okay, I think everyone has given it. The answer is B actually. Good. Think everyone got that. Okay, next we'll be seeing about the Netflix. As you know, Netflix is the it's like Amazon Prime where you'll be accessing some movies, TV shows, series, animes, maybe. It is a leading streaming service. It has a vast libraries of movies, animes, and TV shows. And then it's now the Netflix is been producing some of the original contents also. It was founded in 1997, So after 1997, it became like vast usage, and now it has begin like on-demand content is being given. Okay. The, let's go to the tech stack using Netflix. Well, going to the front end, Netflix is also using the React.js as front end. In backend, the server side, Node.js and Java, the Netflix is using Node.js and Java. And while going to the database, as I said, database is a storage. It's a storage place where you store our information. That may be your login information, sign up information, anything. There they use Cassandra and Amazon DynamoDB. And for streaming, like Netflix is mainly used for streaming, right? So they are using Open Connect and Jewel and Ribbon. Okay, let me give you some basic information about Netflix. Like, what is the success reason for Netflix? Like, Netflix recommendation algorithm is powered by some ML machine learning algorithms. So that is a key factor for its success. You know ML, right? ML, machine learning, Python we use for machine learning. That recommended Netflix uses that recommendation algorithm, which is powered by machine learning. So that is a key reason for. Okay, let us go through a short quiz. Which programming language is not used in Netflix tech stack? Option A, Java. Option B, Python. Option C, Ruby. Option D, Node.js. Think for a second and give your answers in that. Yeah, then the answer is C. Good. Okay, let me explain you about the Uber. The Uber is the app which you will be using for booking your rides, right? You will be traveling from one place to other. So you need a ride. For those who have bikes and cars, they do not need any ride. For others, like who do not have bike and car, like you'll be sharing with your friends and you'll be going from one place to another, right? So you'll be needing some ride. So for that, we'll be using Uber. Let me explain. Let me give you a short note about Uber. Yeah, Uber is a ride sharing and transportation platform which has been founded in like 2009. Like, what is the basic thing which the Uber does? The Uber connects the drivers with the riders. Like riders are like, yeah, you and me will be booking Uber, right? We are the riders. It will be connecting us with the drivers, and it gives convenient and on-demand services, right? We'll be getting our car and cab within like 5 to 10 minutes. So it will be easy to travel from one place to another. For that purpose, Uber is being invented. Like they started with a car, and now I think Uber is being using helicopters also for like traveling one place to another. Okay. Let me explain about the tech stack which is used in Uber as usual. Well, coming to the front end, like we saw in last two applications, right? They used React.js. So they are using React Native for mobile applications actually. We'll go into the backend. Backend they are using Node.js and Python like for different services. And database is a MySQL database and PostgreSQL that is also used in like Instagram also. And as we know, like Uber uses the locations, right? You can see the driver's location, your car location, etc. So you need some geospatial stack also, like geospatial technology also. For that, they are using Google Maps API to get the location of the driver and alert you with the location. And real time, they are using socket.io. Okay, let me give you some crazy information. Like the Uber operates in like more than 900 metropolitan cities from that. That is a huge sum of metropolitan cities, right? Like Chennai is a metropolitan city, Kolkata is a metropolitan city. There are like limited metropolitan cities in all states. So Uber operates in like 900 metropolitan cities that it makes a whole large amount of income. Okay, let me give you a short quiz. We'll go to a short quiz. Like in which year the like Uber was founded? Option A, 2009. Option B, 2010. Option C, 2012. Option D, 2014. Okay, guys, let me give you some 2 minutes and then we'll go to the chat. 1 minute more. Like, give your answers in the chat. Okay. I hope everyone has given their answers in the chat. Yeah, the answer is 2009. I hope everyone got the same answer. Okay, let's come to the big industry actually, Amazon. Amazon is a multinational technology. It is a e-commerce app which was founded in 1994. Like to say about Amazon, Amazon was founded as an initial online bookstore. Now it has been grown into world's biggest e-commerce company and the cloud service providers. Amazon has various forms of income actually. The AWS, as you know, that is Amazon Web Services, and it has an e-commerce app. It is been selling all over India. Like you give your orders, and they will be taking your package and giving it to your doorstep. That is Amazon to like it has various form of incomes. Like main two streams are like Amazon packages and Amazon Prime, Amazon Web Services, etc. Okay, let's come to the tech stacks which are used in Amazon. Well, while going to the front end it has React.js, Java, C++, Amazon Aurora, DynamoDB. Like front end it has React.js. The front end, as I say, it is a client side. As the things which you see with your eyes are like made with the help of front end. And while going to the back end is a server side. That is like total coding steps. Like what are the process that happens like after you give your information, right? That goes to the back end. The languages which I use are Java and C++. And while going to the database which the Amazon uses its own database, Amazon Aurora, and DynamoDB is like another database. The storage is like the Amazon's own storage, Amazon S3, and the hosting it does in AWS. AWS, as I said, right, it's an Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud service where you can host your data, and it is also used for storage also. That is Amazon S3. Okay, yeah, the backend which they are using is a Java. Java is a famous programming language, and Spring Boot they're also been using. Java is like in trend now. Java is like ongoing trend now. The Python is like booming now. Like the Python developers are many, and Python is being used in various applications like machine learning, data science, data analysis, etc. Yeah, the C++ language also they have been using. And then while going to the database, they are using like Amazon Aurora and DynamoDB. And storage I said like Amazon S3. So uh in while going to the Android, they have been using Kotlin, you know, right? Kotlin is used for Android development. And for iOS they are using Swift. Okay. Then we'll be going to some detail now. As you know, like Amazon is like now a big e-commerce company, and it is giving various services like online streaming and like yeah, it has been a e-commerce company and online web services also they are again giving. Amazon started an online bookstore in 1994 actually. It is started as an online bookstore only, not as a e-commerce company, not as a streaming company, not as a web service company. Okay. And then from that, it has been evolved as the world's largest e-commerce company and cloud computing companies. Yeah. Uh, let's go through a short quiz. What is the name of Amazon's cloud computing platform? I think it's easy, as I explained many times. Like A is Azure, B is Google Cloud Platform, C is AWS, D is Oracle. Okay, let's wait till 9:28 and we'll be checking the comments. Guys, give your answers in the comments. Like, let me repeat the question again. What is the name of Amazon's cloud computing platform? A is Azure, B is Google Cloud Platform, C is AWS, D is Oracle. Okay, I hope like everyone has given their answers in the comment. Yeah, the answer is C, AWS. AWS is the Amazon Web Services, which the Amazon is been providing for cloud services. It's the main source of income for Amazon actually. I hope everyone got the same answer. Well and good. Okay, let's go to the next application, which is PhonePe. The PhonePe is a digital payment platform which has been invented in India. Like it is used for digital payments, like from one person to another. Like it may be from one bank to another. Like it offers like seamless payment transfers. Like from you can also pay your mobile bills. You can also pay your electricity bills. Like any bill payment can be done in that app. It was launched in like 2015, and they say right UPI is like unified payment interface, and like it is a subsidiary of Flipkart actually. I do not know like everyone knows that like the PhonePe is a subsidiary of Flipkart, which is like a branch company of Flipkart actually. Okay, let me explain about the tech stacks which are used in PhonePe. While going to the front end is a client side, as you can see, right? The things which you see are front end actually. The React Native. For most of the mobile application, they'll be using the React Native actually. Like famous companies are using React Native. As you saw, Uber also used React Native for building mobile application. And then PhonePe is also using React Native for building mobile applications. And while going to the backend it is using Java and Spring Boot. Like you saw right in before application that also use Java C++. Here it is using Java and Spring Boot. While going to the database is MySQL database. MySQL is quite famous, right? Everyone will be using MySQL database and Redis. And obviously you'll be needing a payment gateway, right? Since it is a payment app, it does need a payment gateway. So UPI is used for that unified payment interface. I'll be giving a short note on that. Here is a client. You will be giving to the web service, like you'll be storing it in a cloud. Then we'll be giving a request in the queue, and then we'll be giving it to the schedule, and then you'll be given some processing time, right? After you give your request, you'll be asking for your PIN, and it will be processing your request, and then the executor will do the things for you, and then we'll be getting the output. Okay. Let me give you some crazy information about like PhonePe. Like PhonePe is a first payment app in India to cross over 1 billion transaction mark in a month. It crossed around 1 billion transaction mark in a month. The 1 billion, what is the 1 billion in Indian rupees actually? If you convert $1 billion to Indian rupees, it goes around like ones, tens, hundred, one like tens, hundreds, thousands, like 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. It's like huge sum of money. Okay, like, let's go into a short quiz. Which mobile app development framework is used for building PhonePe mobile application? I think it's easy for you to answer. Let me give you some 2 minutes to answer this question. Give your answers in the chat so I can check the answers. Option A is React Native. Option B is Flutter. Option C is Xamarin. Option D is Shift. One more minute, then we'll be going to the comments. Okay, I will be checking the answer. Everyone gave C, right? I think C is not the correct answer here. Answer is here. The React Net, the PhonePe is React Native. I hope that everyone understands that, right? Okay, let me give you a short revision of what are the things used in every company again. Okay. We'll go into the tech stack. What is a tech stack? Tech stack is a short form for technology stack, which refers to the various technologies are like arranged in a stack or being piled up one upon another to give a unified application or a beautiful application which you can use. Like it has some various layers, server, database, data access layer, web application, and web pages, etc. It it represents the layers of software architecture and infrastructure which are put together into a picture to give a beautiful application actually. What are the tech stack layers? While going to the tech stack layers, the tech stack has front end. The front end is the things which you see in every application, like which you can see, which you can access, that comes under front end. While going to the back end, well, you are giving your information in your front end, right? Will be getting that information and then it processes it and then for it goes to the further applications actually. Like if you're going to the sign up page, you will be giving your information and then it will lead you to the login page, right? Like that. So the database is a you can assume the database is a cupboard where your information are being stored. And when going to the server is a like server is like you'll be having every information in there and it will be given to you while you need the information. And then networking is needed for like connecting each computers together. Okay, these are the quiz. So let's skip the quiz. Okay, as I given information about Instagram, you see, like Instagram is used for like it is an engaging app which you use for live comment, like direct messaging. It has many filters and you can use to post stories also. Like what are the tech stack used in Instagram? Like front end it uses React JS, back end Python, and for database it uses PostgreSQL and Cassandra. And for storage it uses Amazon S3. The Amazon S3 is the storage which is like the Amazon offers. Amazon S3 is our storage buckets actually. It stores information in buckets. And for you, for hosting purpose, we use like Amazon Web Service. Okay, I gave you crazy information, right? Like within like 2 years, Instagram has been bought by Facebook for about $1 billion. Okay, what is the programming language used in Instagram backend? It's Python. Okay, Netflix is the streaming application where you can see the original contents of Netflix, movies and TV shows, and animation series, etc. It is being invented in 1997. Let's go into the tech stack that is used in Netflix. Front end Netflix uses React.js, and for backend Node.js and Java, and for database Cassandra and Amazon DynamoDB, and for streaming purpose, the Netflix. For every application, the technology tech stack differs. Netflix uses streaming. It uses Open Connect and Zero and different. As I said, like Netflix success story depends on like ML algorithms. Like since the ML algorithm gives a recommendation system, these are one of the key factors for its success. Okay, what is the programming language is not used in Netflix? I think it's Ruby, Java, Python, Node.js, everything is used in Netflix. Uber is a like ride sharing platform which you can get which connects the riders and the drivers to get the rides and to go from one location to another location. It is invented in 2009. What is the tech stack used in Uber? The front end Uber uses React Native, and the back end it uses Node.js, Python. Most of the mobile application uses like React Native. Database is like MySQL and PostgreSQL. What is a geospatial thing? As I said, tech stack differs for one app to another. Since the Uber gives us information of like where the driver is and which location. The location is also shared to us, right? So for that it uses that geospatial tech. The technology uses Google Maps API. The real time it uses Socket.io. Okay. Uber operates in 900 metropolitan cities. As I said, Chennai is a metropolitan cities. Each state has a limited metropolitan cities. Like it is like well-developed cities. The Uber operates in more than 900 metropolitan cities worldwide. In which year was the Uber founded? I think it's 2009. Okay, The Amazon is a multinational technology and e-commerce company. Like Amazon has like various sources of income now. It has like Amazon Prime, like Amazon Prime for streaming, and then it uses e-commerce app, and then it gives the AWS, which is the cloud service. Okay, we'll go into the tech stack. It uses front end, it uses React.js, back end, it uses Java and C++. Database, it uses Amazon Aurora and DynamoDB. Storage, it uses Amazon S3 buckets. And for hosting, it uses AWS. Like as I said, like Amazon started as an online bookstore in 1994, and it evolved as first largest e-commerce and leading cloud computing service company. Okay, what is the name of Amazon's cloud computing platform? J Azure, B Google Cloud Platform, C AWS, and D Oracle. Answer is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Okay, then let's go to the PhonePe. PhonePe is a digital payment platform which enables you to make payments, transfer money from one bank to another, and make bill payments also. And it is launched in 2015. It operates on UPI, right? UPI is like Unified Payment Interface, and which is a branch or which comes from Flipkart, which is a subsidiary of Flipkart. Okay, what is the tech stack using PhonePe? It's a mobile application, so it uses React Native as a front end. Back end, it uses Java and Spring Boot. And database, it uses MySQL and Redis. And payment gateway is UPI. Payment gateway, obviously, like uh, PhonePe needs a payment gateway, like for enabling payments. Uh, Here is a $1 billion to IND. Okay, which mobile app development framework is used for building phone-based mobile application? A. React Native, B. Flutter, XAML, and D is Swift. The answer is React Native. Okay, then this is the end of the class. Okay, I think the class is over. Like, let's meet up in the other. Sir, is that okay, right?
Yeah, let's wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks,
Okay,
Kiran.
guys.